How many neurons are in the brain, and why does that number matter?
Well, first of all, we don't know. The bottom line is, but there are some intelligent guesses. So let me give you a little bit of history. First of all, we just knew that there was a lot of them, and scientists gradually started to measure how many there were. Now, there aren't too many people that would turn around and donate their live brain, go measure the number of neurons in it, and then want it back. So that's never happened. So we've never actually counted them one by one, at least not yet. What we tend to do is guesstimate how many there are. And it used to be, there's 100 billion. That used to be the big round number. And then another neuroscientist did some more accurate measurement. And what they did is, if I remember rightly, they took a cubic centimeter and sliced it and actually counted the number of neurons that they could actually count in a microscope, and then multiply that up by the volume of the brain and go, we've got 85 billion, not 100 billion. No, there's a tariff in there somewhere. And then another neuroscientist came along and said, that's not quite right still. And they did their calculation and they came up with 86 billion. All right, that seems, quotes, the most accurate number. However, if you read that paper and you got down towards the bottom and they actually added at the bottom, plus or minus 7 billion. So, the
high degree of variability there.
Right. We know it's probably somewhere between the low 80s and the low 90s and somewhere in there. Does it really matter? Other than the fact that there's a lot of them, and as we'll talk about in a moment, I'm sure, and they've got major interconnections going on, which is where we led to the network and the internet metaphor just now.